Now that Price Honda of Turlock is officially open right next door, here's what that means for our Price Ford of Turlock customer. We've doubled our service capacity, expanded our team, and made it even easier to get your vehicle serviced. That means faster oil changes, same-day appointments available, and more service bays to handle maintenance, warranty work, recalls, tires, brakes, repairs, transmission service, diesel issues, and more. And if you're not sure what's wrong or you have a check engine light, our first hour of diagnosis is free, whether you have us repair it or not. With 45 factory-trained certified technicians across our service teams, Price Ford of Turlock is ready to handle anything you need and focus on getting your vehicle back to you repaired right the first time and as quickly as possible. And while we continue to grow our new Ford inventory, we've also doubled our pre-owned selection, giving you even more options when it's time for something new. Service, sales, parts, and more, Price Ford of Turlock is your one-stop shop for all things Ford.